Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Bezzera espresso machine. Let's begin by pulling a shot. Just showing how much we have here. Seeing we get really good crema. And I was treating it like it was an E61 group head, and I was reaching for the lever and open the hot water. So so we replaced the valve on here. This is the old valve. The action on this was not good. And a person can try overhauling these, and you often get mixed results, and it's never like exactly the way you want it to be, because you just want it to be like new, basically. And the parts are hard to get, and maybe you can get one or two of the parts, but not all the parts that you want. So I just replace them. Because then you have a brand new part, and you're not going to have any issues with the way it functions. And if you do, then you just, obviously that's a defect from the manufacturer, and you just replace it again. So replace that. Also, there was a clog further back in the system on the steam side, and so I descaled the machine. There was actually a lot of scale on this machine. And I also disassembled the back of the pipe on the steam boiler, and there was a clog in there too. But now the machine's working great. You can see we have nice strong steam, nice hot water, and it made a good shot. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.